Hi, my name's Erica, and I'm a 2023 summer RU intern at the Chicago Botanic Garden. Over the past few weeks, I've spent most of my time processing something called a GBS library. GBS, aka genotype by sequencing, is a way of sequencing less costly than traditional sequencing methods. In this video, I'm going to give a brief run-through of the processing steps I took. Step 1. Demultiplexing. So the first step is to demultiplex everything, which means separating out all the barcodes from the raw data file into their own .gz files. And we can do that by running this command here.
2,000 years later.
Now that the raw data file has finished demultiplexing, we can see that there's a bunch of these .gz files with all of the barcodes. Step 2. Aligning. The next step is to align our DNA reads to a reference genome, but before we can do that, we need to generate index files. Here I have the generated index files and also dictionary files that we'll need later. And now we're going to run the BWA mem script, which is going to align all the SNPs and DNA in these .gz files to the reference genome. After the BWA mem script has finished running, it generates all these .bam files, and now because all the barcodes are long gone, we need to add read groups to label the DNA. After adding all the .bai read groups to the .bam files, we are now ready for step 3. Step 3. Identifying haplotypes. A haplotype is a set of DNA variations like SNPs that tend to be inherited together. They aid in identifying shared ancestry amongst different individuals. Step 4. Genotype calling. In this step, we merge all the GVCF files we generated in step 3 into one single file. This file is then run through the genotype caller for our final file. And yay! You're done! And now you have your final compressed VCF file that's ready to be used in R for population genetics analysis. Good job! And here are some clips I took over the summer here. I wanted to make this video because I knew that I was very intimidated by bioinformatics and coding before starting on this project. But now I do feel like most of it is not as daunting as it looks. And I hope that this run-through has dispelled some of that scariness for people. Thank you for listening.